So guys, this is the first step to, if you want to create a channel. The first step is to create a Gmail account, and I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. You click on Gmail, that is your Gmail app, to create a new account. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. It will ask for your fingerprint or your pattern to authenticate. So here you're going to choose to create a new account. For me, I chose for personal use. You can choose any. So you create an account, you choose a name for your account, like I'm doing. Then you click on next. Then it will open another window where you'll choose your birth date. For here, you can choose. For me, I'm choosing any because this account, I'm not going to be using it. I'm just using it for content creation. It's not that serious, so I'm choosing any dates. For gender, I'm going to go with rather not say. But if you're a female, you choose female. If you're male, you choose male. Then you click on next. Now YouTube will suggest to you two options for your mail. So you can either go with any of them if you find the one that is okay. But if you find like the ones that are there that are hard, you can decide to go with a different one. So for me, I'm going to go with option 3. I'm going to create my own address. So remember, you can choose, when you're choosing your own address, you may choose an address that has already been taken, so YouTube will not allow you to use it. So you have to choose a unique one. So time to time you'll be told that one is not available. So you'll just have to continue, working around it so that you can get one that is available, like I'm doing. Just watch along. See, like this one has already been taken. Same as that one. So I'll keep working around and, trying different options. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. It seems like this one has been accepted. So the next step is you create a password. Again, a password has to be a strong password. You can use, words, special characters and numbers to make it strong. This way YouTube will accept the password, but if the password is not that strong, Gmail will tell you that this one is not like that one. They've told me it's not strong. So I used only numbers, so I'm going to add so you see, been accepted. So you click on next, then you scroll down, you agree to the terms and conditions, then boom, there we have our account. To see it, you just click up on top there where you see C, you click on it, then it will show you all the Gmail accounts that are available on my devices. So to see the account that you've created, you see down there, ucount001 at gmail.com. That is our Gmail account, and that's how you create your Gmail account. So guys, this is the first step to creating a YouTube channel. Stick along, subscribe to our channel, because I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel from a scratch to the end. Thank you so much.